Guys, Tony here. Here's the family. We're in the Ironton car ferry in Ironton, Michigan. Just give you a little view out here. Moving across the channel here. You can see the family back there and the port we just left. And this is where we're heading, right across the lake there. You know, I've never been on a car ferry before, and this is really cool. You just drive right on. They even have a center line on the ferry here, so that when we drive off, we know what side of the road to be on. So, yeah, we're almost across. It's called the Ironton Car Ferry in Ironton, Michigan, and it's $3 a vehicle, so a pretty good bargain. Let's watch as we come to port.
Yeah, just talk normal. Dad, stop putting your head out the window.
All right, we are coming to the road, where the road will continue to lead us up to the highway.
No highway here. Oh, okay. Yes.
Hope you enjoyed our ride on the Ironton Car Ferry.
Wait, you do not.